Now this illustration deals with 30 amp branch circuits and the permissive loading of these circuits in accordance with 210.23b. So let's review the top illustration showing the service equipment with a 30 amp overcurrent device with number 10 wire feeding lights. And notice that we could go up to a 30 amp circuit for general purpose, a type lighting circuit. And we could put luminaires, incandescent, mercury vapor, heavy duty lamp holders, which we'll get into. We could also put LEDs and stuff on that circuit. The one below shows a 30 amp circuit, and we're feeding appliances only. No dual loading here, no combination loading. We're either feeding appliances or lighting with this 30 amp circuit in accordance with the branch circuit permissive loading of NEC table, not table, but NEC 210.23b as in boy. And again, instead of having to go through these sections in a systematic order to derive how they could be loaded, I will mention to you again, go to table 210.24 and all the information is listed there for you. And you notice I can feed lighting units of the heavy duty type up to 50 amps. I can have, say, a number 8 circuit, number 8 wire on say a 40 amp device, or I could have number 6 on a 50 amp device, and I could tap with number 12 wire to feed the lights, especially if they're heavy duty and you had, say, HID lighting in a commercial building, say. Then I'd look at 210.21 A and B, and heavy duty is when you have at least 660 watt of the ad medium or 750 watt of just a normal heavy duty lamp holder. And if you come up with, say, 800, 1,000 watt type HID lighting fixtures, you can put those on with number 12 wire tap from a 50 amp overcurrent device with number 6 wire. But again, to get all these rules, and keep in mind, if it's a 15 or 20 amp circuit, you can just put any of these outlets on that. But there's a restriction of what you can put on when you start having circuits of 30, 40, and 50. All this is outlined perfectly for electricians in table 210.24, where it becomes necessary that you want to put maybe HID lighting with them heavy duty lamp holders on a circuit. So this figure 14-13 is illustrating 30 amp branch circuits in accordance with 210.23b as in boy, permissive loading of these circuits.